Hi, welcome back to Hungry Forever's kitchen. I'm Joan Rajadas and today I'm going to show you how to make Swiss roll. Jam Swiss roll is very popular. I can remember my children could never get enough of it. To make this, we would first take 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, about 100 grams of powdered sugar, which you can powder at home in the mixie, 100 grams of maida, a teaspoon or even a little additional vanilla essence because otherwise it turns out to be somewhat eggy. Now we take eggs, we separate it into egg whites, so we get 5 egg whites. Then we take jam, any jam of your choice, and dilute it with water. Don't make it very watery, add water little by little, dilute it and keep it ready. We also require the egg yolks, so don't throw away the egg yolks. To start with, in a clean, dry bowl, we would beat the egg whites stiff with a pinch of salt. Now, how do you know when your egg whites are ready? When you gently lift the beater sticks off, it should stand and hold its shape. They should be looking white and more solid at this point. We add in the egg yolks gently one by one, beating all the while. Then we add the powdered sugar again little by little. What you should remember is don't add all the powdered sugar to one area because then that egg meringue would just fall flat at that point. So distribute it evenly and then beat it. Then you add your vanilla essence. You take the flour in a separate dry bowl, sift it with the baking powder and soda. Now add this to the egg mixture, but at this point you take a wooden or a plastic spatula and you fold it gently into the mixture. Again, don't add all the flour to one area but sprinkle it gently over the mixture. You have to be extremely gentle with the batter at this point. Now you take your baking tray, which you have already lined with parchment paper, and you drop the mix into it. So please note that your mix should drop into this in folds. The fold should fall one on top of the other, and then we bake at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, when your sponge is ready, it should be starting to pull away from the sides of the baking tray. Now, you've got to work really fast. Peel it gently from the parchment paper. Now, if your roll is very thick at this point, you can slice it gently. Now you sprinkle sugar, not powdered sugar but crystal sugar, so that you get a little crunch in your Swiss roll. And then your dilute jam, spread it evenly. Holding on to the parchment paper, and when it's still warm, you roll it up like a jelly roll, and then you additionally roll it up in newspaper and keep aside for an hour. And then you can slice it into neat slices and eat it as it is or serve it with vanilla ice cream. If you've liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.